In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your very first Webflow project. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to polish their skills, this guide is designed to help you bring your creative visions to life and seamlessly share them online. We'll go through each step carefully so you can have your project live in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Webflow, and once you're there, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your command center where all your projects are housed. Take a moment to explore this space as it will become your go-to spot in Webflow. To start, we're going to add some elements to your project. Head over to the dashboard and you'll notice an option to Add Elements. This is where you'll begin building the structure of your website or project. You will see a variety of components here that you can use to construct your design. Let's scroll down through this list. It's quite comprehensive. For today's demonstration, we'll focus on adding a text block, a fundamental building block for any website. Text blocks allow you to add essential content and information for your audience. Select the text block from the options available. Once added, you can customize it to fit the aesthetic and functional requirements of your project. This is where you should feel free to experiment. Try out different components, mix and match to see what works best for your vision. If something doesn't quite fit or look right, you can easily change it. The key here is to explore and be creative with your design. Now, once everything's set up and you're satisfied with how your design looks, it's time to make it live for the world to see. Head over to the top right corner of your Webflow editor interface. You'll find a Publish button. Click on it and you're almost there. In the Publish settings, you'll see an option to Publish to selected domains. Go ahead and select this as it allows you to specify where you'd like to publish your project. This step is crucial as it ensures your project is visible on the internet under your chosen domain name. After you hit Publish, congratulations, your project is live. You can now take a moment to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Your work is available to anyone browsing the web. Feel free to click the arrow provided to open your website and see it exactly as your audience will. This moment is both exciting and rewarding, as it provides a sense of accomplishment and opens the door to sharing your ideas with a wider audience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get your projects up and running on Webflow. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Happy designing and publishing!